Hello students, hope you are doing well. What is the meaning of education? Hmm? You are reading the textbooks, writing the answers teachers are teaching you, and you are learning the equations in math, and reading a lot of story books and writing the answers, and you are learning the history. Is this education? Yes, it's a kind of education. Education is not merely gaining knowledge. The new concept of education is academic skills plus life skills. You are writing well, okay? You scored good marks. You got the certificate, you are first in your class. But you don't know how to behave in the society, how to treat the people, how to cope with the situations. Then there is no use of your education. So learning all these things are life skills. Okay? And one important thing is the food habit. Actually, it plays an important role in your character and in your day-to-day life. What are you eating? You know, nowadays our lifestyle is totally related to the society. Almost time we get influenced by the advertisements, right? We are thinking it's stylish to eat KFC, burger, pizza, fries and all. You have to tell me the truth. Really, are you thinking in that way? I know the answer is yes. And almost time we don't want to eat our traditional healthy food like dosa, idli, upma, all those items. Why? And if we follow this stylish food, as I told, pizza, burger, pastries, what would happen? It's very tasty, no doubt on that. And almost time you prefer all those items to eat. What would be the consequences? At any point of time, did you ever think of that? Now let's watch.
Dear children, let's see the harmful effects of junk food. What is junk food? The food that has low nutritional value or no nutritional value. Junk food seems attractive and easy to prepare and eat. The contents of the junk food give them a good taste and smell, but it causes many health issues in our body. Junk food harms our body in different ways. You must know the ill effects of junk food. If we eat junk food regularly, it causes lack of concentration, headache. Your head will start to ache badly. Obesity means you will start to gain more weight. Restlessness, you will be getting irritated for small things. And lifestyle diseases like diabetes, the increased sugar level in the blood, cancer, the abnormal growth of cells, and stroke, a damage to our brain. Why should we eat healthy food? Let's see. Healthy food improve memory and concentration. we will be the winners everywhere. It improves your immune system. Now you are able to fight with the diseases. It gives you a beautiful skin and hair. We get sufficient nutrients from healthy food. We get better rest and sleep. Healthy food is digestive and helps to weight loss. What are healthy food? Fruits, vegetables, dairy products, egg, fresh meat, leafy vegetables, nuts, dry fruits, grains, and cereals. All these are healthy food. What are junk food? Pizza, burger, sausage, noodles, soft drinks, French fries, pastries, donuts are some of the junk food. Now children, you have to say no to junk food. Health is wealth. Eat healthy and be healthy. Children, now did you understand the importance of eating healthy? Yes, right.
I hope all of you have understood what is the consequences of eating junk food, the ill effects of eating junk food. Once in a blue moon, it's okay. You have to know the taste and you have to know what is that. But it should be in a limit. It shouldn't be a habit of your day-to-day life. Okay? And the next thing, you have to value the dishes what your parents are preparing for you. It will be really healthy. Always prefer homemade food. Okay? Packing from outside and eating from outside, maximum you avoid. Health is wealth, and moreover, you are what you eat. Your thought process, your behavior, everything, your immune system, all those things related to your food habit. So don't forget that. Bye children, have a good day.